Welcome to Language of Universe. In this video I will tell you one important AI tool which is used to convert your actual picture into cartoon, right? So here you can search AI cartoon generator. Then one first website is Neural Frame. Click here. Then you can upload your picture here. As a sample I take one picture. After that you can select any design from here as you want, then click on this. After that you will get the cartoon picture, right? So this AI tool convert these pictures into a cartoon like this. You can change the design as well like this. So it will take some time. It depends on the size of image, and it depends on your internet speed as well. So just wait like this, and you can also convert. It will take some time. Here you can download the picture.